we're out in the Rio Verde Foothills today. I'm going to showcase this home for you. I'm Bonnie Burke with the Bonnie Burke team at Remax Buying Properties. So this home is almost 3,500 square feet on 1.25 acres. So I want you to come in and see the rest of it. So come on in.